everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adventure Sagas. Today this is gonna be a very special video. As you look from behind here, these are fields of corn. I planted it on 29th of 11th last year, and today is a harvest time, guys. So I'm so super excited. Just want to show you how to harvest it, guys. There are little and a few mates, but we're gonna share amongst ourselves, guys. So welcome back to the channel. Kindly subscribe to the channel Adventure Sagas. Follow me wherever you are so that we can grow the channel together, guys. Let me show you how to do it, guys. As you can look, it's harvest time and we have corn. They've grown big. This one is a little bit almost dry, so it's harvest time here. As you look here, right here we have a sugar cane. The rest are still young. We still have like 2 months to grow, so just look at it. A few that is here. I'm gonna harvest it today, guys. So let's get along, guys, as I show you harvest time, guys. With me here is my colleague. It's called Joel. He's going to help me with harvesting. Welcome to the channel, Joel. Kindly proceed with the harvest. I'm gonna assist you. So guys, as you can see, these are polythene bags and my colleague here is gonna harvest. Hiyo ikaje? Kata hii. Welcome. Yes, welcome.
Welcome, brother.
It's harvest time. We're harvesting, guys. The fruits of hard work. Good. So welcome back, guys. We are harvesting. There is harvesting, as you can see. So guys, this is gonna be a good harvest. Harvest time, guys. Here ni. So. Gisto kan kon. Good harvest, guys. Good harvest. a good, guys, good harvest. Just want to show you how it looks like. Very healthy, very good maize. Is going to be a good delicacy tonight. We're going to roast it, boil it, and make our favorite delicacy called kideri. Kideri is a mixture of beans and green corn mixed with them plus the potatoes, and we make a very nice meal called kideri. So this is gonna be a meal tonight. Let's get along, guys, as I show you. So this is gonna be the bags you're using. You're going to use them to tie. So you may fix them. Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ni mingi na gara. Ini kana likitile sio na bila kidai. Sasa hivi siko image zilizoi. Sasa ile ile zilizoi. Kinda kage namgole. Mama jeni tunamgawie. Chile hata ke. Aza. Ka 7 guys. Sawa. 7. Hebu mingi. Fanya hivi tena. Piga picha sasa pale pale.
Napiga mingi ndio mtachagua itakuwa poa.
This bag is too heavy.
Guys, this has been a very successful harvest. With me here is my friend called Johnson. He was the one behind the camera. So we thank you very much. Right there behind, there's no maize remaining there. We are very thankful with a good harvest. So I'm going home a happy man. Let's meet together again for another harvest after 3 months. And guys, this is Adventure Sagas. This is how the farm looks after the harvest. So welcome, this is Adventure Sagas. Thank you for watching my video. Always continue watching, and above all, subscribe to the channel so that we can grow together, guys. Let's catch up another day. Ciao.